MDT Smart Factory Solution is a four-part solution that transforms traditional factories into an intelligent, integrated and automated system. Applicable across all industries and factory sizes, this solution aims to maximize overall equipment effectiveness and enhance overall workplace safety. Consisting of production tracking, workforce management, environmental control and material tracking, our Work in Progress 4.0 is a series of Internet of Things sensors that are attached to traditional machines, turning them into data points for real-time tracking, monitoring and analysis, allowing managers to make data-driven decisions and minimize machine downtime. Our WeCare platform is a workforce management system that integrates wearable technologies along with artificial intelligence, allowing managers to monitor workers' safety and ensure OSHA compliance is met at all times. Our Smart Factory Dashboard connects to environmental sensors and material tracking sensors, enabling managers to protect sensitive materials and equipment 24/7. Combined with artificial intelligence, machine learning and digital twin, factories can achieve optimal production efficiency and predict future production needs. The system transmits real-time visualized data to the cloud that is accessible from anywhere at any time. Speak with us today, because at MDT, we transform technologies into solutions.